Welcome back, guys. We are here with a new video. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe.
And they will help the rest back. Open, take first, second, and third squads. Sigzel, you've got fourth, fifth, and sixth. Pete, don't think I haven't seen you glowing. You take the other bridgeman. Taft, you take the scouts and...
distance.
Paladin looked around. Where is Taft? He was only just noticing. Gunamore involved there, Captain, but he got distracted. How to draw on Stormlight. Before the day is done, I want everyone on this plateau glowing like they swallowed a lantern.
Get him!
They broke out.
Yeah!
Translucent red streamer rose from the stone.
Jackass!
As if in the wind.
That's what you get, mother...
Was on good.
Has no hosts. She met Kaladin's eyes. In the face of such an atrocity, I would consider the sacrifice of one or more heralds to be a small price, Kaladin said, standing up straight. Have you no sympathy? I have plenty, Bridgeman. Fortunately, I temper it with logic.
What is going on?
Shallan had never seen her respond to someone with the respect she gave Dalinar. Yasna, Dalinar said. Even if the Pact of the Heralds still holds, we can't know that they'd stay in damnation, or the mechanics for locking away the Voidbringers there. That said, first step, they must know much that can greatly assist us. I will leave it to you, Yasna.
All right, let's take another call. Let's go to Wyoming. Shane, welcome to the program.
Yes, sir, Kevin. Thanks for taking my call. Happy New Year, and I'm on 80 in Wyoming. It looks like it's nice and clear so far. All right, my question to you is I'm trying to attempt to get into your program with the keto. Okay, I don't have much computer knowledge, so I don't.
with Lifespan Technologies president and CEO, talking about predominantly ways to save our infrastructure and maybe extend it a little bit in terms of stretching it and finding out ways to find out what the actual condition of it is. Peter, we had talked about that with call from JoJo a little bit ago, and the issue came up about the cost of a particular bridge or of a road. And the fact that the paving may be bad, there may be problems with the paving, but that could be taken care of pretty quickly. But in a lot of cases, what you're saying is with these sensors they're showing that the real core of the thing, the bones of it, they're probably in a lot better shape than what we think they are.
That's absolutely true, Dan, and we've been proving that now for the better part of 16, 17 years. It's just amazing that when you get the actual performance data from the structure itself, and you've used a good analogy there, the skeletal system, if you will, is a lot stronger than the visual inspection would indicate. You know, the folks that do the visuals might look and say, well, there's a lot of rust and corrosion, and we've lost some strength, and yeah, that does happen, but you can't tell.
I know it sounds boring and everything right now, man, but God forbid it come to that. And you know, dude, that's the fucking scary part is they have that balloon in our airspace and the thing
still hasn't been shot down or handled in any way. Like, how the hell are they? I want to know how the hell are they going to prevent this from happening in the fucking future, dude? Because I mean, they could, you know, if it's in the government's best interest, you know, they're going to do it immediately like that. But
you know how the government works. Oh, he just hit that dude's truck. Yeah, he just hit that dude's truck. Hold on. Hey!
A decisive 7th game in their Eastern Conference semifinal. Scored 38 points as the Bucks beat the Nets 104-89 in Milwaukee. Game 7 goes Saturday night.
Okay, Carmen. Save video.
Players are still on the